Inorganic chemistry notes classification of elements. Periodic table or periodic table of elements is a tabular arrangement of the chemical elements arranged by atomic number, electron configuration and recurring chemical properties whose structure shows periodic trends. Need for classification of elements. Before the beginning of the 18th century, only a few elements were known, so it was quite easy to study and remember the properties of those elements and their compounds individually. Later on, with the increased number of elements, it became more and more difficult to study their properties individually. Therefore, the need for their classification was felt. Development of periodic table. Several major attempts made for classification of elements. Some of them are as follows. First one is Prout hypothesis, 1815. William Prout observed that the atomic weights that has been measured for the elements known as that time appeared to be whole multiples of the atomic weight of hydrogen. He hypothesized that the hydrogen atom was the only truly fundamental object which he called protyle, and that the atoms of other elements were actually groupings of various number of hydrogen atoms. This postulation was discarded when the atomic weight of elements not found in the whole number. Second one is Dauvergne-Trides, 1829. According to this law, when chemically analogous elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic mass, they form well-marked group of three called triads, in which the atomic mass of middle elements was nearly equal to the arithmetic mean of the other. Example of triads of elements are as follows. Element. First one, lithium, atomic mass 7. Sodium, atomic mass 23. Potassium, atomic mass 39. Mean of 1 and 3. First 7 plus 39. 7 plus 39 divided by 2, 23. किसके बराबर आ गया? सोडियम के बराबर आ गया. सेकंड, कैल्शियम, स्ट्रोंटियम, बैरियम. कैल्शियम 40, स्ट्रोंटियम 88, बैरियम 137. 40 प्लस 137 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 कितना आ गया? लगभग 88.5 स्ट्रोंटियम के बराबर. दिस क्लासिफिकेशन डिड नॉट रिसीव wide acceptance since only a few elements could be arranged into triads. Newland's law of octaves, 1865. If the chemical elements are arranged according to increasing atomic weight, those with similar physical and chemical properties occur after each interval of 7 elements. Arrangement of some elements with their atomic weights according to the law of octaves. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, calcium. Newland contributed the word periodic in chemistry. फोर्थ, चौथा है लोथर मेयर एटॉमिक वॉल्यूम कर्व, 1869. Lothar Meyer, a German chemist, plotted a graph between atomic weight and atomic volume, that is atomic weight in solid state by density. He found that elements with similar properties occupied the similar position on the graph. पांचवा है Mendeleev periodic table. The physical and chemical properties of the elements are a periodic function of their atomic mass. Salient features of Mendeleev periodic table.